wanted to take this Atari tank game from 1977 and use AI to recreate it. It took me about 3 hours, and this was the result. I started with this awesome free Unity asset that comes with 2 tanks and some explosion effects. And I said to Coplay, the Unity AI assistant, hey, can you help me clone this old tank game? Then Coplay just kind of ran with it. It put the player and enemy tanks in, wired them to the keyboard so I could move them. And then in about 30 minutes and a couple of AI tokens later, I had this playable mini prototype. Pretty cool, but the enemy just sits there. So I spent a while longer and asked Coplay to give the enemy smart pathfinding and add basic health and ammunition UI and a level progression system with 5 different maps. It took a few hours to get right, but I think it came out pretty cool, and I didn't write a single line of code. I was using Claude Sonnet 4.5, a more expensive model, and auto-approve mode, so I wasn't exactly watching my costs this time around. But in my next video, I'm going to see how fast and cheap I can make a Space Invaders clone with Coplay.